Bitcoin, we start with daily chart, and if we refer to our analysis, since the price was here, I was looking for 77, then 88, and we mentioned we want to see the breakout of this zone. The price broke. Now we are looking for 100K. This is what I explained in my last analysis, and as we can see, since the price tag here, we see this start to correct, then 88. Okay, that's why I mentioned I want to see this two as a short-term target, and we want to see the breakout of this one, growing by 100K. Now we're looking for 100K. Okay, this is what we have been explaining. I mean, I explained my last analysis, and almost the price is 99, and we want to see how the price can break 100K, as like we see the price continue as a sharp continuation as a sharp. I mean, we see the sharp move, or we see the deep correction or start to correct on 100K, or after the breakout of the 100K, because the zone between 100 and 111, this is where we want to look at, because with the breakout of this zone, then we can look for 150 following by 180. 180, this is what we can expect. And if we refer to monthly chart, this is what we had in my last, I mean, since last month, and even my last analysis pointed. I'm looking to see the breakout of the 100K and 111. This is the zone we want to see the breakout of. Okay, and this is the event targets we can look for. And that's mean if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. We are not looking for the reversal. And as I mentioned, with the breakout of this one, then we can look for 150 and above. And if we refer to the weekly chart, this is what we have been looking for. And we don't see any new information. The only thing is, if we put this stop in relative to what we have here, we see the divergence. And as I mentioned in my last analysis, at this point, we don't need to care about the divergence. Okay, because mostly if the price continue and we see the breakout of this one will disappear. And even if that's why we want to see if the price couldn't break this one as a sharp move, then we can expect to see the deeper correction similar to what we had here. Okay, but at this point, we don't need to really care about the divergence. We're looking for continuation. And if we move to daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. Mostly we have to look for trade based on lower time frame. And if we move to forward chart, we see again we have a divergence. Okay. Based on lower time frame at this point, mostly we can expect to see the flag because of the divergence. This is where we can look for buy. Again, we are not looking for the reversal. We're looking for continuation. And if we move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation, divergence, we don't need to care about that. But at this point, I don't see any trade setup. As I mentioned, we have to look for the trade as a flag, either based on 1 hour or lower time frame. It depends on the strategy the traders are using. But if they start the price continues as a corrective, similar to what we have here, following by divergence, this is where we can expect to see that a correction based on 4 hour or 1 hour chart. And at this point, we cannot confirm, because suddenly, if we see the sharp move, then all these things, even based on forward chart, will disappear. Again, any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And we want to see the breakout of 100, growing by 111, and the price almost near 200K. And this is where we want to see the breakout of. And we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.